应该可以按吧。
Don't touch my money.
Oh, sorry.
We're doing a very special episode today of live trading with my family.
Hi.
Hey everyone, so this is my older cousin Paul.
Hi, I'm Paul.
So tell everyone what you do for a living.
I'm aircraft mechanic. Do some avionics job. Yeah.
那什么啊？
avionics.
avionics 就航空类的。
avionics， 这就是我的专业了。
Oh, he's teaching me English today.
Yeah,
I didn't know what that
yeah,
means.
Yeah.
我每天叫你讲话，奇怪，就让我们两个讲，
这都可以剪掉吧？
都可以剪掉。可是刚刚那很好，因为我真的不知道什么是 avionics.
哦。
He taught me something new today. So what do you think of a humble trader?
那是谁啊
？So our next special guest is my little brother. 过来。
No.
So tell everyone about yourself.
Hi, I'm Shay's little brother, and I'm 6 years younger than she is.
Anything else?
Nothing.
So do you miss me a lot since we only see each other twice a year and we live in different cities?
No.
Anyways, this is a great tip if you have younger siblings. Let them do the work. I also mooch off his Netflix and Amazon Prime. What are siblings for? Thanks. So tell everyone what you do for a living.
I'm a software engineer.
Do you know anything about stocks?
I download Wealth Simple, I buy the stocks you tell me to buy, and that's all I know.
He follows my alerts.
Before we start, I just need to remind you that this video is for entertainment purposes only, and please do not try this at home. I'm fully aware of the potential risk of trading with family members live, like we're about to do. That's why I've downsized my share sizes drastically, and I'm fully comfortable with the risk. Okay, so now that you understand the disclaimer, let's get ready for the market open.
So our stock is on SSR. 我看一下啊。MST. The first stock in play is a small cap, low float stock called ENT. This one ran up 200% before the market even opened. Therefore, I chose to approach the stock short. So this red arrow, so when you buy the stock, the opposite is going short a stock. So you're selling the stock, but you're borrowing. 哎呦，机车，今天动作太慢。Intel, holy crap, 57. Okay. Come on. Okay, 好。Okay, so So what we just did earlier. So what we were doing earlier is that we were shorting a stock. So this stock is what we call like a small cap stock. And these kind of stocks are kind of like trash companies, and they just kind of 就你看才之前几个小时进来4块钱，现在已经跑到7块钱了，所以这已经跑了200%、300%。So you know it's a stock that we like to short. We short a stock. 我不知道中文是什么。So when you short a stock, you're borrowing, you're betting on the stock dropping. So when you buy the stock, you're betting the stock will go up. So I'm shorting the stock because I think this stock is gonna drop, basically. 没有继续录，这样 OK. So what we did earlier, we made $250. So daily chart basically marks the price action on the daily, right? So the open and close of a day, and then the intraday chart. So right now we're looking at the 3-minute chart. So we're looking at a candlestick for the market from the open today at 9:30 to the close at 4:30. So that's what we call an intraday chart.
Intraday chart, you can look at the 3-minute candle, 2-minute candle, 5-minute candle here, so you can see all these different time frames. So over here, besides the intraday chart, we have here the level 2, price action.
Cool.
Are you guys even listening?
What? Oh, sorry.
Oh, wait, 等一下，特斯拉。Next, we're playing a large cap stock, Tesla. On the long side, the entire market was selling off at the time, and this is one of my favorite stocks to scalp the bounces for some quick volatility trades. I'm怕真的。So 你看大只股的时候，你就会看 S&P 500。
他说 ，Oh my God, look at Tesla。
哦，我是什么股票掉了那么多？等一下啊、汽车这一只 LRN 掉很多，没关系。你看，这现在在开始在回升了。你看这个现在在回升了，这是 S&P 500。那我就要看着特斯拉，因为很多大股就会跟着 S&P 500。A lot of the bigger stocks they follow the S&P 500，所以I'm just trading, I'm not investing in a stock， 所以这样跳回来我等下就要卖掉了。所以我1376买，那我等下1390几就要卖掉，就赚这价差而已。我不是说要买来那个投资的。啊，完了，太晚了，因为这又再掉回来了，掉。好，那又赚了200块，小赚，今天就小赚，又赚了。哦，这个回来。Okay, so that's what we did on Tesla. We bought the dip on Tesla when we sold into the bounce. So let's see. Oh God.
所以刚刚10分钟内就赚400块美金。
对。
你刚刚是真的还是只是
真的钱哎、
真的，
这是真的钱。
所以他才会怕。
不是我刚刚很紧张，你知道吗？好，其实今天可能就这样就好，我不怕大家又 no mistake。
这种工作我做不了，
高压力，对不对？
压力很大，
压力很大，真的。
我不敢眨眼哎。
所以我所以我戴耳机有时候把你们两个 mute 掉。我现在只是在看。你看又掉回来了啊！刚刚应该 short， 这个刚刚有点怕。So okay, so this is another good lesson. So you can see the stock intraday on this stock ENT. We shorted the open at 7 and we bought it back near support here. So because there's a line here, right? So that's why I bought it back here.
这怎么发光？这还在发光。应该可以按。
Don't touch my money.
Oh, sorry.
When you say bearish, it means the stock you think it's going lower. bullish means the stock is going higher. And do you know why?
Why?
Because when bears attack, it attacks downwards. 它是从上往下，熊攻击人家的时候是从上往下攻击你。公牛那脚是从下往上刺人。So that's why we have bears and we have bulls.
Oh, I thought you
For the
meant
stock
bull
market.
as in like
What's that?
a bull.
No, bull.
Oh,
我讲 You're making fun of my English now.
What are you doing?
So this is what we did today. We longed Tesla and made $194. We also shorted ENT and made $250. Thank you guys. We made a total of $444.60 in US dollars.
Whoa.
Yay! Good job, team.
Good job.
So that's like 444 US is equivalent to how much in Taiwanese dollars? 这样是台币多少？
这样大概12000。
这样12000。
不是你不是400吗
？400
美金大概30，大概。
Okay, so we made
400，4000乘以3，大概1万多块。
okay.
哎，请客！
不行
Are you gonna take us to dinner?
你赚了1万多块呢！
好，我请你们喝珍珠奶茶。I'll treat you guys to bubble tea. That's it.
珍珠奶茶不是一顿牛排，
不是
steak
No.
steak no
No. So this is another good lesson. So you can see the stock intraday on this stock ENT. We shorted the open at 7 and we bought it back near support here. So because there's a line here, right? So that's why I bought it back here. 然后你就可以看到这个股票之后又跳回去7块钱。那你看到这7块钱之前有跳到这边，但又被卖下来，所以呢，不代表说这一定会再被卖下来，但是有人就会用这个7块钱决定说，好，那这7块钱就是我要在这边卖掉。The stocks only move because people are buying and selling them at these levels. So if everyone decides to sell at 7, the stock is gonna tank. And if everyone decides to buy at 480, the stock is gonna bounce back. That's the basic of support and resistance. They are not like magical candles.
外送来了哦！
哎，食物来了！来吃！
哦，好饿哦！
哇，好好吃哦！
不会。
吃自己的，不要吃我这一盘。
猪耳朵呢？
对啊，贵。
它的豆干好，还蛮大的。
Remember to save some for me. So thank you guys both for helping me and being my little assistant when I was day trading. So did you learn anything today?
有学到蛮多，但是我觉得太复杂了，我还是继续修飞机好了。
And I learned that it's a very dangerous job and most people should stay away from day trading.
So before we go, I have a very important question to ask. 你现在有没有女朋友？
我现在没有女朋友。
Nope.
So
Okay.
these two, my dear family members, they are currently single. So ladies, if you're interested, leave a comment down below and I'll hook you guys up with these two. And at the end of the day, this is just an ad for their dating profile. Thank you guys so much for watching as always. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe.
按赞跟订阅哦。
Thank you everyone and we'll see you next time.
啊，
啤酒时间。
好，喝
Finally,
酒
we can drink this.
来喝酒。
有人会咬到。
来
Cheers!
And this video is sponsored by Taiwan Beer, Taiwan 啤酒. Well, it's not actually sponsored by them, but they should. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and the bad jokes. If you want to see more day trading content, make sure to subscribe and follow me on Twitter and Instagram for more. If you'd like to trade with me daily and get my free weekend watch list and trading journal, make sure to check out the links below for more resources. Stay green, stay positive, and I'll see you guys next time.